Hey guys, what's up? A very happy Sunday to all of you. This is a friend Mainar from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in today's video we'll discuss about the common problems of some users of Tekla Structural Designer, that is member collision and member intersection. How to resolve those errors in Tekla. We'll see that, and let me tell you one more thing. If you want to get trained professionally from us on Tekla Structural Designer or any other course related to civil engineering, you can do so by clicking on the registration link in our description. So without wasting the time, let's get started.
So friends, we have created a simple model. We have some columns and some grids, as you can see here. Now if you want to assign some beams in this model, we'll just click on this concrete beams and we'll assign the beams. We'll just select all these, so the beams have been assigned. And after that, if you just click on validate option, it is showing an error of member intersection. It is showing that these two beams are intersecting. So how can we solve this particular issue? We'll show you two methods. One is we can just delete this member, and we'll just delete this member, and after that we can just take on the beams. Here we can join this part by part, and this we can join as a whole. So let's see now what happens. Now if we validate, it's okay. So we have just joined this, we have broken this beam into two parts, and now it's okay. So what is the second method? We'll show you the second method. For it, let us just take the beams again and assign your beams like this normally, and it is showing the same error again, member of intersection. So how to solve this? So we'll just click on this. As you can see, this particular node we have, we'll just move this to here, that is at the center. Now let's see what happens if we validate it. So we have validated it and the model is okay. So the validation is okay. So there are two methods. You can just put a particular member at the center so that it will not show the error due to member intersection. You can just by changing the position of the nodes to the center, or else you can simply delete the member and assign the member part by part. So there are two methods to do this. You can also do this alternatively, like we have this. Let's assign this two particular beams once again, this one and this one. It's showing the problem of member intersection, as you can see here, and we'll press escape, and then we'll just click on this particular beam and we'll put this node at the center. So if we do that also, our problem will be solved. So like that we can solve the problem of your member intersection in Tekla Structural Designer. So let us now understand the problem of member collision. So suppose I take a beam and I want to join a beam, and I've also made a beam from here to here, and then I'll validate the model, and it's showing the problem of member collision. So the problem of member collision occurs if we have provided two members at one place. So the problem of member collision occurs due to that. So for solving this problem, we need to just delete the member which is showing the collision, and after that we can assign the beam once again. So friends, this was our video in which we had shown you how to solve the error due to member intersection and member collision in Tekla Structural Designer. Hope you found this video useful, and for more such videos, stay connected with our channel, and also do comment, because we go through each and every one of your comments. Bye.